ate at Mel's Diner, had our burgers and steaks, malt, my mom, and we're walking down Highland Road, but we're right in the middle of Sunset Boulevard and Hollywood Drive, so that's pretty cool. We walked down both, or we drove down Sunset, walked down Hollywood. Tonight's the Journey concert. Pretty excited about that. And we worked out this morning. Me and my mom. About killed it. But we can't find any like souvenir stuff. It's worth it, so we're just gonna wait till the Journey concert. And that's about it. Oh, we had nice breakfast at the hotel. So that's cool.
6 seconds.
I was up running again for the second time today. Traffic jams are pretty bad, but we haven't got caught in a really big one yet. Hollywood's not that glamorous, I guess you could say. It's more kind of, not dirty, but kind of run down. And all there is a smoke shop and tattoo shop. So, wasn't much to check out. We checked out the stars.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
We're over here. So you guys tourists? Tourists, and we're leaving town, right? Where are you from? I'm from Michigan. Oh, what part? Walden? North?
It's north of Grand Rapids.
North of Grand Rapids.
Yeah.
Where are you from? I was from Detroit, Pleasant Ridge, and then Rochester. Okay. I was from the other side. About 3.5 hours north of Detroit. Cool. It must be small. I've never heard of it.
It is.
It's rural. There's trees. There's no stoplights. There's the traffic jam. This is here, isn't it? Yeah. Hollywood's not what people think. The studios move north and west. There's a few here, but not really. Exactly. Yeah, the movie stars never lived here. They lived in Hancock Park and South Saturday. Then they went to Beverly Hills and now Malibu.
You got to secure away with it. This is a busy traffic. It usually happens this whole time. Well, that's about it for today. We're not really doing nothing. We're gonna go check out Parkway and Rodeo Drive. And but yeah, Hollywood not as what it's built up to be. So, see you guys next time.